Good-looking cat.
Hey, what's going on? Good, Patrick. How you doing? All right, good to meet you too. Nice to meet you.
You built the greenhouse yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, I worked for a nursery from the time I was like 16 to about 20.
Okay.
And I built like most of the greenhouses and the fog rooms and the like propagation houses and all that. So this was actually my probably 4th greenhouse I built here.
Perfect, perfect. All right. So give us a quick tour on, let us know what's going on here.
All right, so some tanks here.
Okay.
Got the pump in there.
Got your pump. How many gallons is this does this pump?
I believe that is 1,000 gallons.
Okay, 1,000 gallons per hour?
Yeah, I think so, or
Okay.
1,100, something like that. So what I did was I fed it over to the fish tank here.
Okay, yep, show us the fish tank. What you got in here?
And I know you're not
No, this is fine. This
fan.
yeah, it's fine. No, do what you have to do. Okay, yeah, we got them in here. You got them in here.
These
no
are
tilapia. They're all goldfish, and I got 2 koi in there.
this the
I'm
first.
thinking about just kind of starting to fill it with some koi.
Okay.
But they're nice. They're friendly.
And they're hungry. Right now, these babies are hungry. Look on there.
I like this thing. I like that.
Yeah, it's I did a double. I was actually going to put 4 intakes for it, but because I got the tank kind of slanted a little bit this way, everything kind of comes this way all the ways. So just with the double on there, it sucks it all up real nice.
Get it all up so you don't have much problems. I don't really see too many solids in here.
It's clean.
It's clean.
It is clean. You're using this, okay.
Yep.
You got this lifting overflow here, okay, I see.
And this was a very sad attempt at doing a, what is it called? I'll think of it in a second. I was trying to get air to feed through a tube coming down like this.
You're trying to do a Venturi?
Venturi.
Okay, yeah, Venturi, okay.
What made you choose? What made you choose to select goldfish as
It was just the tilapia, ordering them, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them afterwards. And my daughter's like, "Well, I like goldfish.
Okay.
Can we get goldfish?"
Goldfish,
so I
yeah.
went to the store and got a bunch of goldfish, and they were like real small. They call them feeder fish, but they were real small, and they've gotten this big over the course of about 5 months.
About 5 months old?
Yep. There's a couple babies in there too that made it.
Okay.
But any ones that are this big, like see this one right here?
Right.
That's a baby. He was born in here.
Where'd you get these koi from? The koi that you have in there?
Same place I get the goldfish from.
Okay.
PetSmart. Up there off of 275.
Okay. So this is it a 275 gallon IBC tow? 250? Okay.
How many fish do you have in here, Patrick?
Probably about 50, 55.
About 55, okay.
And how often?
I mean, I've lost some. There's been some, but I don't think it's anything with the pH or anything like that. I think it was just maybe they went in there kind of sick. You know?
Yeah, some of them, it's just the way it happens. Some of them are just going to die of, they're just going to die of natural causes.
Do you see that?
This is nice here.
Now, how often you feed the goldfishes?
3 times a day.
3 times a day.
3 times a day, okay.
Yeah. Now I don't have I don't measure it out by grams.
Okay.
You're doing
Right.
grams, What I do is I just I kind of monitor how quickly they eat the food.
That's fine.
And I try not to leave too much waste in there.
On there, yep. You can feed into their, into their full. So we got, so we got the pump from the sump. And this is pumping water up here, okay.
Yeah,
it's coming up here.
It comes into here.
Okay.
And I got to clean this because it's getting clogged.
It gets clogged up in there. I can.
So and then I tee it off and come this.
And you have it splitting. Okay, I see it right here.
Yep. So
here, coming around.
The deep water culture.
Okay, now we come over here to the raft. Okay. And what do you have here growing?
There's kale. There's some basil. I got some strawberries.
Yep, I can see
the
those.
kale has not done very well.
Okay. We have some
The
deficiencies.
lettuces,
Some basil.
those
Okay.
have done the best. This I just kind of hooked up not too long ago. It's not the greatest
Okay, let's see.
connections here, but you know,
Yep.
putting out a decent amount of flow,
Yep.
and the plants are doing all right.
Okay.
I took them from the deep water
And put them over here.
when the roots were, long enough to
Yep.
get into the water.
Okay.
I haven't started anything in this yet, but
Okay.
I kind of do my seedlings over here, and then letting them get roots, and then
And then
I'm gonna
bring them
start
over
moving
here.
Over here.
Okay. So are these the only ones that you've grown so far? Is this section right here?
Actually, I've harvested this whole. Every hole in here had. I could show you pictures. The lettuce was like huge.
Huge. Okay.
It was like just massive.
Okay.
So yeah, we were eating off of it for probably about a good month and a half to 2 months.
Okay.
Pretty impressive.
Okay. Good.
And that was my first real harvest.
Harvest.
Here.
Okay.
So if you turn around there, you can see I got a huge cucumber growing back there.
Let's go. Show us where that's
I
at.
see it right there.
No, that's a
Oh.
small one.
Small one.
Oh, there we go.
That's a cucumber.
Okay. We got a cucumber here. Okay.
So there's another one there. There's one growing up there.
Yep. We got another one down here.
What is your taste like growing your own vegetables, coming out, cutting it, eating it, and bringing it right back in
So far,
compared to the stores?
You can't compare. I mean, the taste, the flavor, the texture, everything is different, and it's so much. It's just unbelievable how much better it like you could taste the nutrients in it.
Right.
You know, you can really taste.
So you got that taste,
Absolutely.
taste buds stuck in your tongue now.
It's like you're eating it's like gourmet. I mean, it really is like, you can tell the difference immensely.
Okay. Yeah. We got some little cherry tomatoes here.
Yeah, that's the only one that's
Okay.
doing good as far as my tomato plants. These 2 cherry tomatoes are doing good.
So do you have any potassium supplements?
No, I don't.
That's probably one thing that is doing it. If for you, what is your pH run at right now?
Like 7.5.
7.5. Okay, so it's okay. So 7.5. You would probably have to add maybe some potassium nitrate.
Okay.
That would probably help out. That would help out a lot. Because my pH drops lower, and then I raise it up with potassium hydroxide, and that's how, because you have to supplement potassium in aquaponics.
Right.
Yeah, it's not gonna. So that could be causing a lot of these problems here.
For me, all this is an experiment. I grew plants, but not vegetables.
Got you.
Right.
I know all the fertilizers and stuff that we used back then,
Right.
and how to keep the plants growing good, but this is a whole another monster here.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
I spent about a good year and a half studying it.
Okay.
Watching, all your tutorials.
Okay.
Yeah. Learned a lot.
Okay.
And, so finally, I mean, it was a lot of work to get this thing.
To get it going. Okay.
It was a lot of work and a lot of setbacks at first, but once I got the system going, it almost takes care of itself. If I could just get the deficiencies down, I think I come out here after work every day, just look around, feed the fish, and maybe once a week do a water test. Nothing special.
Right.
And come and pull some lettuce out and have a nice salad.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.
What was like the most challenging problems you have from starting aquaponics?
The greenhouse building was the first problem. Like I said, this is like the 4th one, and I mean that was a pain. So after that, I mean setting this thing up. Wow.
Right.
That almost killed me.
Yeah.
All that rock in there.
Yeah.
There's nothing easy about that.
Right.
I'm
Yeah.
not going to look forward to cleaning that thing out.
Yeah. No, absolutely not. Yeah.
So everything else was pretty smooth. Building this system, I know what I'm doing with the PVC pipe, so that was kind of easy. It went together nice. The floating raft system went together nice.
Yeah, that one got a nice one.
The fish are easy as can be to take care of.
Yep.
This is my daughter.
Okay, how you doing?
You know, my goal is to get 10 acres and use 3 acres of that, and then, you know, build, you know, the first greenhouse and then expand from there, and eventually have 3 acres worth of completely climate controlled everything. You know, I mean, I'm talking, when you go in there, you have to wash your hands.
Oh, okay, yeah, all biological.
You're not dragging in any kind of contaminants.
Got you.
That kind of stuff.
Yeah,
So
you want
it's going to be pretty massive. So
Got you.
I'm looking for investors.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to fund it myself.
I see.